Right now, resellers are about to miss out on the most profitable 30 days of the first half of 2026. See, the reason isn't competition. It's not the market. It's that they keep running the same 3 fake replica products that they were running in the beginning of January. While Mother's Day cash is flooding in, graduation money on eBay is about to hit hard, and high tariffs on name brand products make generic product sales go up even more because they're low cost and also easy to acquire. So I'm about to give you 8 low ticket products that I'm actually selling right now on platforms like eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Vinted, and also Walmart Seller Central. Real buy prices, real sell prices, of course, real profit, and of course, no guru math, only legitimate receipts for these products that will sell. They won't just sell on one platform, but every platform we have seen success, and they don't even cost that much. And hidden in this list is something I call the golden product, especially for this upcoming month. This product actually sold 14 units exclusively on eBay and generated me $860 profit so far this week alone. And this product doesn't cost that much, but it sells for $60+. Listen, if you want that one, stay until the end. I'll show you exactly how to sell it so you can hit the ground running. This is not a drop shipping list. This isn't a list where you're getting products from Singjing's warehouse. These are products you can actually hold, products you can actually go open and test and move on platforms like Mercari, eBay, OfferUp, Facebook, and more. And no, this isn't going to take you 14 days to get the products in the mail or longer. You can actually start this tomorrow or even this week. Let's get into it. First product we'll talk about is the dual adapter. Now, this dual adapter is a product that sells because it serves 2 purposes. It charges with USB and Type-C. Packaging is really good as well. It doesn't have any branding. We are focusing, especially in this first quarter, on trying to prime our accounts, get as much positive feedback as possible. Low ticket items like this help you do so, okay? Not only that, it cannot easily be opened from the top as it is actually glued down. Even the bottom, you can't just open this, and I like this, especially when it comes to my business clientele. They love the fact that this is something that is not easy to access. Now, if we look at pricing, okay? Pricing, you can easily see. If you go to WESPOY.com, all products will be available on my website, Wholesale, but also you can look on places like Alibaba and AliExpress if you find cheaper quality AAA. These are all OEM. Now, if you get 6, you're getting it for $31.50. So what we could do is we can actually pull up the calculator and we can look $31.50. Divide that by 6, okay, because you have an option by 6 or 12 or even 25. That's $5.25. You want to sell these for around $10.50, even $9.50 just to start out. But these dual adapters help you because it serves 2 product niches, and whether there are USB adapters in the household or Type-C, this is able to charge. This is a fast charger. This is 20 watts, okay? So that is fast enough to charge 2 devices at once. This product is selling well for us. We are looking at $12.50, and we do sometimes occasionally accept offers around $10.50 range. The next product is going to be another adapter, but it is the AAA quality 20 watt regular Type-C adapter. Look at the packaging. It has the exclusive green little arrow tab that you have to peel off, gives that Apple feel, no Apple logos at all. And again, you want to make sure, especially this month, since eBay is flagging multiple products on multiple different account levels and account bases, you want to sell products that are just like this, a regular unique product that has its own generic branding. Also, keep the 20 watt AAA quality tag on there as it shows it is AAA quality. This right here, we could get wholesale again off of WESPOY.com. Now, let's look at the pricing. So originally, you can get 6 for $24. Let's see exactly what that math looks like. So 24 divided by 6, that means you're getting each for $4, okay? So you can get 6 of these for $4 each. That is a steal, a great deal, and something you can take advantage of. The next product is going to be the Type-C wired headphones. These sell good to older customers or businesses buy these from me. I'm talking about hospitals, home health aides. They use these wired, especially when you have a business that uses some type of training software on computers. You also will see people buying these that have the 17, the 16, or the Z Fold, the Z Trifold. These sell well. And as you see in the packaging, you have a bunch of branding on here, but you also have the complex diagram showing the different features and functionalities of the pod. You have that green arrow right here that you have to tear off. These are small touches that make the product seem luxurious, but inside, let's see if I can show you. And it also has the UPC right here too. But inside, guys, it's literally just the same thing we're kind of used to, okay? The packaging does all of the talking for us. These are really good headphones. I use them myself. Now let's actually see exactly how these are being sold on the site. Now I just want to make this clear. We're selling these all the way in bundles for $17 for 2. We're doing 4 for $24, but we're selling individual for around $10.50 to $12. Now if we look at the website, we see you get 6 for $30. Let's see what that math is. So 30 divided by 6 would mean you're getting $5 each, okay? Now, $5 each, you can get these headphones, no resellers, permit, business license, anything. This site has a bunch of products, and I'll break an intermission and show you guys, right? If you were to look at audio, you could see we have wired headphones, we have a bunch of things that help you when it comes to the audio aspect, but you also get the wireless features too. And we do sell these as well. So this is a benefit because not only will you be selling headphones like this, but you could sell different variety and give your customer base a vast option to choose what headphones they want to actually use. And it gives you leverage in the end. Next product we're going to do, this is the AAA 20-watt USB-C adapter bundle. We sell these occasionally by themselves. This is a very affordable charging set. Now, again, you can literally just see the packaging. Packaging is superb. It has the newer version of the little green arrow strip. It's a paper version. We have this available in AAA quantity and also a box that says iPhone 16. They're both AAA quality. It's just different signage. If you want to attract users that are buying new devices, you want to sell these adapters. And let's see how much these adapters are actually costing when it comes to on the site, right? So right here, we got the 20-watt iPhone charger bundle. We can see, so let me make sure. Okay, yeah, we're there. So we have $36 is how much you would pay for 6 of them. Let's actually look it up and see. So 36 divided by 6 is going to be, 36 divided by 6 is $6 each. Okay, so you will get these for $6. We sell this anywhere between $15, sometimes $16.50. We don't usually bundle these, and if we do, we're shooting for the 20 and up range because it does have that adapter, which we would sell for $10.50 anywhere, and then the charging cable, which we would sell for around $5.50 to $3.50. So it is a great bundle and something people buy, especially when they just get devices from stores like T-Mobile, AT&T, or Verizon. We could take advantage and they see our product, we oversell, we get that review and the feedback because all they're expecting is for the charger to work. This also is a fast charger, which again helps you in your benefit. And again, guys, this is a product that is a need. Remember, we want to sell need products, especially in the first quarter. So the second quarter, we can start selling trending products and more. Next, we have the 3-in-1 magnetic charging pad. This charging pad is really good packaging, okay? It has that diagram that shows you exactly what it does. And also, guys, when you take it out, it comes in this little plastic bag. Take it out the plastic bag. This we usually sell for $15, $17, and even sometimes $20, depending on a platform. A platform like Walmart, Seller Central will sell these for $20. And let's see exactly what we could actually get these for. So when you go online, you can get 6 of them for $70.95, which basically basically is going to say $76, excuse me, and 95 cents divided by 6. It should be around, yep, $12.82 each. That is a really good product for you to be able to sell, especially in flea markets. You can sell them for 25 and up or 20 and up, okay? This is a good product for you to sell, especially if you're trying to target people that have AirPods, Apple Watches, and phones and want to solve charging all of these in one solution. Next one is going to be the Nano Power Bank. This is a 5,000 mAh power bank. As you guys see, this is good packaging, very colorful, it sticks out, especially if you have a store. You take this out. We always want to source the black. This has a Type-C cable. When you are taking this out, you can clearly see that it comes, number one, really good plastic, but number two, you could literally, excuse me, hook this up to a phone. It shows the battery percentage, charges your phone up to 3 times. I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max and it does really well. This is a product that we're selling for $17.50 to $19.50. You can get this for around $12.99 if you get 6, I believe. And as you guys can see, it's right here again on the site. 6, you get 6 for $77.95. So it's worth it, but also it's a product that is moving a little up from the low tier. It's not going to get your account flagged though, because it is a product that is just a mini power adapter, not anything that you're selling for $50 to $40. Something that you literally are selling to show value, again, solve a need. It is not too high in price, and it definitely does work. It gets good reviews. All it needs to do, again, is just charge someone's device. They give you powerful feedback. You're able to capitalize. This right here is a smart car sensor, right? And I don't know how we keep selling these because, again, I've been selling these for years, and I have my own, well, I had my own in my other car. Now I don't need it, obviously, but I have my own wireless charging pad in the car I have currently built in. If I didn't, I would be using this. This is a car charger that opens up, lets you put your phone in it, wirelessly charges your phone, opens when it sees your hand so you can release and get your phone. This is a smart car sensor. Again, this is something that I saw selling well on TikTok. I got intrigued to ask my supplier for it. We get this for $9. We sell this for $15. We can even sell it for $12.50. No matter what, guys, the main goal is for this type of product, not just to get profit, but to get the reviews, because this is a novelty. This is a product that people will use, but eventually it's like one of those products that is really, really cool until it gets boring. And that's what I see. Like, we are getting sales consistently, but I don't see repeat buyers because it's not something people would, it's not a need. It's not a need. And I'm not here to lie and act like something's a need. This right here, you can get 6 for $59.94. And I believe that is going to be $9.99 each. Okay. And again, this is not a need. It's more so a cool little product. And I will be releasing a video of the top 10 trending products for you to sell. But right now, these are products that people buy because it serves a purpose. And this does. It serves a purpose, a different alternative than putting a regular car charger like this into your car. You can do something and add this type of product or this type of product and start to flourish with yourselves. It's a good product to like sell on like a Walmart or even a TikTok shop, as it does have the safety logos for you to be able to effectively list those as well. Now, this connects with Find My iPhone. It also has 4 different noise cancellation integrations, and also is something that connects to your phone like the regular typical thing. Now, when it comes to pricing, let's actually look. You can get 6 of these for $120. If we do the math, 100. Now, if you don't know, now you know, but if you did know, you know again. The active noise cancellation, if you follow me on my channel where I review products, it is called Is It Worth Flipping? That is a product Now, if you don't know, hopefully now you know. the active noise cancellation headphones have been skyrocketing. This actually is what has generated me $850 on eBay. I've been able to sell these. I've been testing them out, and I have shared the results on platforms and other channels such as Is It Worth Flipping, which is my review channel on YouTube. Definitely check it out. I review all of the products and see how the sales go. Some products fail, some products don't. This is a product that has actually flourished. This and the one without noise cancellation. These are the Gen 4s. I got these probably a couple weeks ago. I had them for almost a month now. These sell well, very good when it comes to the active noise cancellation, and you would be surprised about the price. Now, this comes in a box that has no Apple logos or signage, obviously. As you guys, I'm sure, are familiar with me, I don't sell any products trying to attempt to mislead customers. Also, it comes with a sticker that tells you that it is noise cancellation, and I worked really hard to get this price down. $120 divided by 6, that's $20 each. $20 each for these pods right at your doorstep within a day of ordering. That is one of the biggest flex I think I could provide for my business, because again, I remember buying products like these on platforms like Alibaba and waiting 14 days and only seeing the fact that these looked online like really good replicas, only to get chargebacks and problems and of course bans on eBay. This, I'm happy to say, doesn't get you banned, as we're not posting it like Apple, doesn't have the Apple logos. Most importantly, these are freaking awesome. All right, guys, so this is the product that I would say is a hidden gem. I'm not saying it just for you to get it from me. Get it wherever you find the best price. These active noise cancellation Gen 4 headphones we list as wireless in the ear 4 headphones. They have been killing it. And if you don't want posts to get taken down, make sure you guys are priming your eBay accounts so that you are not one of the accounts that the AI that eBay uses, scans, and ultimately bans. If you want to learn more about how to make sure your listings stay up, click the video that pops up on the screen as I give you tips and tricks and show you exactly how 800 of our eBay automation customers are still thriving, selling pods just like this one. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you guys want any products, definitely do not hesitate to go ahead and check out wesply.com. We are always changing prices and also giving different quantities for you to be able to buy with a bunch of different products. You can do audio, okay? You can also go ahead and do chargers, and you have the ability also to do, of course, gadgets. Now, if you're somebody out there that is looking to buy in bulk, you can build your own box. We have a box of 4, a box of 6, and a box of 12, and you get to choose exactly which products you want to test out, okay? So you have everything between the Gen 2 Chromes, AirPod Maxes, iPhone 7 headphones, and more. Or if you're trying to actually build and start selling, I would say like at a flea market, prime example, or a pop-up shop, you can get the 30-piece product box or the 50-piece product box. The 30-piece product box is on sale right now for $250. Definitely check this out. I try my best to give solutions to resellers just like you, since I do have a warehouse full of products ready to get sold. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.